Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into exciting news about Samsung's Galaxy Ring patent. If you're a fan of innovative tech or just love to stay updated with the latest gadgets, this is the video for you. First, let's talk about the patent. Samsung has filed a patent for a smart ring, and it's generating a lot of buzz in the tech community. This smart ring is designed to bring new levels of convenience and control to our everyday devices. One of the standout features of the Galaxy Ring is its gesture control capability. This means that users will be able to control devices like tablets and laptops using simple gestures. Imagine being able to swipe, pinch, and tap in the air to control your devices. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive and seamless. The Galaxy Ring is also expected to be compatible with a range of devices, including Samsung's Galaxy Book and Galaxy Tab. This compatibility means that you can seamlessly integrate the ring into your existing tech ecosystem, making it a versatile addition to your gadget collection. Whether you're working on a project, watching a video, or browsing the internet, the Galaxy Ring aims to make these interactions smoother and more efficient. Another exciting feature is display management. With the Galaxy Ring, users will be able to manipulate windows and move content between screens with ease. This functionality will enhance productivity and provide a more intuitive way to interact with your devices. Imagine effortlessly dragging a document from your tablet to your laptop screen with just a flick of your finger. The possibilities are endless. Looking ahead, the technology showcased in this patent could be included in future versions of the Galaxy Ring. This opens up endless possibilities for how we interact with our devices and control our digital lives. From controlling smart home devices to managing presentations, the potential applications of the Galaxy Ring are vast and varied. In summary, Samsung's Galaxy Ring patent introduces groundbreaking features like gesture control, device compatibility, and display management. We can't wait to see how this technology evolves and what it means for the future of smart devices. The idea of controlling devices with a simple ring on your finger is truly fascinating, and we're excited to see how it will be implemented. We'd love to hear your thoughts about the Galaxy Ring and which features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.